afternoon, everybody. I'm student meteorologist Brock Townsend here with Garage Weather. Hope you're all having a good day so far. Take a look what's going on in the backyard. Overcast skies right now. Current temperature 77 degrees, humidity is at 74%, pressure's at 1018 millibars, and the winds right now mainly calm outside. Taking a look at our weather info for today. Average high is 83, average low 62. Record of 100 set back in 1933, record low 47 back in 1936. And we had 0.6 of an inch of rain since the storms came through yesterday, and we had another round of storms that come through around 6 a.m. this morning, giving us 0.6 of an inch of rain. Looking at those weather headlines, severe storms possible mainly to the southeastern corner of Pennsylvania. Mostly sunny weather for Thursday for much of the state, going to be much nicer than what we've had the last couple days. Isolated storm forecast mainly for the weekend. Looking at the UV index for today, much better in UV index terms today because of the cloud cover we have over the state of Pennsylvania. For the most part, do expect the clouds to stay overhead, but cannot rule out you can still get sunburn even through the clouds. I know that sounds weird, but it's possible. Air quality, we're looking much better across PA as well today. Lack of heat in that, ozone's not as much of an issue today. So looking at also what's going on down in the southeastern corner of Pennsylvania, we have a flash flood watch put out by the Mount Holly National Weather Service. The watch covers till 8 o'clock tonight. Possibility for some heavy rain and thunderstorms move through, dropping a significant amount of rainfall on these areas. Now also going on in the tropics right now, Flossie has become a Category 1 hurricane. Looks like as of right now with the path, it does have the chance for a hit on Hawaii. We'll keep an eye on that over the next few days to see if anything changes in terms of what it looks like path-wise. But looking at Eric, Hurricane Eric is actually starting the weekend at max out at Category 3 at 120 miles an hour winds. But it will start the weekend as it loops around Hawaii, but no direct impact expected. Maybe a few outer bands could reach and drop a little bit of some rain on the main island of Hawaii, but for the most part, not much going to be affecting Hawaii from this system. So, taking a look in our area right now, a live look right now outside of Bucknell University. Current temperature 78 degrees. You can see that heavy cloud cover overhead. So, that cloud cover is going to stick around much of the day today for the area here in central PA. Looking at those current temperatures right now, 77 in Selinsgrove, 79 in Hanover, 70 out there in Johnstown. Looking at those dew points right now, 64 in State College, 63 in Bradford, 66 up there in Erie. Looking at the satellite right now, you can see the cloud cover overhead of Pennsylvania. A few clear spots, but for the most part, heavy cloud cover. That will stick over the state for much of the day today, leading to a pretty dreary day outside. Not much going to be going on in terms of sunshine, but should keep the precipitation levels pretty low in the central part of the state because there's no sunshine to get that storm heating at all, or convection heating to create some thunderstorms. Looking at the current radar right now, the only thing really on the radar is this shower activity that has moved out of Pennsylvania up near Kingston, New York. Those showers and storms actually moved through the central part of the state early this morning around 5, 6 a.m. So that storms and that have already moved out of PA on their way almost to Massachusetts. A few showers in that over here towards the Lake Erie area and that. But for the most part right now, not much going on in terms of what's going on here in PA. Looking at what's going on nationally, the ridge of high pressure is still holding on to the east coast, but it's slowly starting to get moved out by the low pressure system here. It'll slake its way across the state this afternoon, leading to more of the showers and thunderstorm activity we'll see in the southeastern corner. The storms that we had yesterday actually came ahead of this dry line here. The dry line typically found in Texas, which there is the typical one actually there, but this made it further east than typically seen, and that's what led to some of the severe storms ahead of that yesterday afternoon. Looking at the severe threat for today, the slight risk covers the southeastern corner of Pennsylvania, also goes into places like Delaware and Virginia and that, New Jersey. Do see the highest chance for severe weather there. The marginal does cover most of the eastern part, but much less risk for severe. Also some marginals across the plain states. Looking at tomorrow though, the thunderstorm chance should be only until it's the southern part of Pennsylvania and not any real severe risk. The severe risk out here in the plain states. Now looking at rainfall, heavy rain is possible this afternoon down in the southeastern corner, which is why the Mount Holly National Weather Service put out that flash flood watch. Definitely want to keep an eye on that. If you do get any of those thunderstorms, heavy rain is possible from them, and turn around, don't drown. Looking at the future radar, we do have the chance for some showers and storms. That's kind of possible to the central start. For the most part, those storms that will fuel up when they get to the southeastern corner, dumping significant amounts of rain. A few isolated storms could make their way from the northwestern to the central parts of the state. But other than that, for the most part, should stay dry for much of the northern part of the state, I believe. Now looking ahead to Thursday, much drier weather, and then on Friday we do have the chance for some showers and storms to pop up in the afternoon, more isolated and wide spread out than they are today, where it's more widespread and taking up more rainfall and that across the state. Looking at those current temperatures for this evening, 82 in Sunbury and Herndon, 81 in Liverpool, 80 there in Lewistown. Looking at the northeastern corner, 79 in Scranton, 81 in Wilkes-Barre, 74 in Dewshore. In the southeastern corner, 84 in Harrisburg, 83 there in Lebanon, 87 in Philadelphia. In the southwestern corner, 81 in Shippensburg, 79 in Altoona, and 80 there in Pittsburgh. To the northwestern corner, 72 in Warren, 73 in Meadville, 80 degrees there in Oil City. So, for the rest of this afternoon, partly cloudy, scattered thunderstorms mainly to the east of the Susquehanna River, highs in the low to mid-80s, winds will be mainly calm. And then tonight, partly cloudy, chance of evening thunderstorms really mostly to the eastern part of the state, lows in the low to mid-60s, winds will be mainly calm. And then looking at your Thursday, oh, there it goes. Mostly sunny, less humid and drier conditions, temperatures in the mid-80s, winds will be out of the northwest about 5 to 10 miles per hour. And then Thursday night, partly cloudy, lows in the mid to low 60s, winds will be mainly calm. And then looking at your 7-day forecast, give that Drew Brees fist bump to tomorrow. And then Friday, scattered showers and thunderstorms. Really seeing how the chances, it's going to depend. Saturday, scattered thunderstorms, more possible across the state. And then Sunday's more isolated storms for drying out on Monday. Temperatures will be in the mid-80s. And then Tuesday, again, another chance for some isolated thunderstorms. I'm student meteorologist Brock Townsend here with Garage Weather. Thanks for watching. I hope you have a great afternoon.